Unraveling the Mystery, the Art of Making a Footnote. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a topic that's crucial for academic writing and beyond: making a footnote. Whether you're writing an essay, a research paper, or just curious about formal writing conventions, understanding how to create a footnote is essential. So, let's get started and demystify this important aspect of writing together. A footnote is a note placed at the bottom of a page in a document or book. It provides extra information, clarification, or references related to the text marked by a superscript number or symbol within the document. Footnotes are essential tools in academic writing, allowing authors to cite sources, explain complex ideas, or add comments without cluttering the main text. They help maintain the flow of reading while offering readers additional insights or data. Footnotes serve several important purposes. Firstly, they acknowledge sources, giving credit to the original authors and enabling readers to locate the cited materials. This is crucial for avoiding plagiarism and contributing to academic integrity. Secondly, footnotes allow writers to provide additional context or explanations that might be too detailed for the main text, enriching the reader's understanding. Lastly, they can highlight supplementary information or offer insights that enhance the discussion but are not essential to the main argument. Making a footnote involves a few simple steps. 1. Identify the place in your text where you want to add a footnote. This could be for a citation, clarification, or additional information. 2. Insert a superscript number at the end of the sentence or phrase related to the footnote. This number should follow any punctuation marks, except for dashes. 3. At the bottom of the page, start the footnote with the same number used in the text. This connects the note to the specific part of the text it refers to. 4. Write the footnote content. This could include a citation, explanation, or any other relevant information. Make sure to follow the appropriate style guide, like APA, MLA, or Chicago, for formatting your citation or note. 5. Repeat the process for each new footnote, ensuring each one has a unique number corresponding to its place in the text. Here are some tips to make your footnotes effective. Keep it concise. Footnotes should be brief and to the point. Lengthy explanations might be better suited for the main text or an appendix. Use them sparingly. Too many footnotes can distract readers. Use them only when necessary to add value to your text. Follow a consistent style. Whether it's APA, MLA, Chicago, or another style, consistency is key in how you format your footnotes and citations. Footnotes are a powerful tool in your writing arsenal, allowing you to provide depth and credibility to your work without interrupting the flow of your main text. Remember, the goal is to enhance your readers' experience and understanding, not to overwhelm them with information. We hope this video has shed light on how to effectively make a footnote and why they're such an important part of scholarly writing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy writing!